you come across these Bible story channels, or have you seen these kinds of Bible stories?
A long time ago, people forgot how to be kind, and this made God very sad. But Noah was different. He loved God and always did what was right. One day, God said, "Noah, build a big ark. I'm sending a flood to clean the earth, but I'll keep you, your family, and 2 of every animal safe."
Quickly, I would want to teach you how to do that, and of course make as much as $10,000 by just uploading such videos. Let's get right into it by heading to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you a list of 20 most popular Bible stories. From there, wait for ChatGPT to give you a list of 20 most popular Bible stories. Go through the lists well and pick out the one you can start from. Though you can create videos from all these Bible stories if they all catches your attention, but if they don't, you can select the few that you can work on. We're going to select number 3, which is Noah's Ark. Then copy this same story and paste it into the prompt box still under ChatGPT and ask it to write a detailed story about Noah's Ark. Make sure you feed ChatGPT with every necessary details like the tone of the voice, the characters, the scene, and even the type of animation we want. And once you're done writing your text prompt, click on Generate. Allow ChatGPT to generate the full story for you. Once we are done, we are going to give ChatGPT the next prompt that will help us generate images that we will convert into videos and blend them together to make a full video. Once you give it that detailed prompt, then click on Generate and wait to see the result. ChatGPT is going to provide you. This prompt would help you to maintain consistency when you are generating the images throughout the entire video. Don't bother yourself about the prompt. If you need the prompt, just comment "prompt," and I will send it to you. This will lead us to the next step. Hope you have subscribed already to this channel. Next is to head to Leonardo AI. Log in if you already have an account, but if you don't, simply sign up through your Gmail. Select Image Creation. And once you are there, just go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, come back to Leonardo AI, and paste in our prompt in the available box here. Then play with a few settings, head to the model, leave it at Phoenix 1.0, and on the prompt enhancer, you will turn it off. And on the contrast, leave it to medium, and we will make sure the generation model is fast. Make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9, leave the number of images to be generated at 4. Then go back your prompt and click on Generate. Okay, now, Leonardo has finished generating the images for us, so let's check out the first one. This is amazing. But if you don't like how the images look, you can play with your prompt and click Regenerate again. Once that is done, we go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, come back to Leonardo AI, paste it, and click Generate. Let's check out what it generated. This is amazing. And you can see the boat Noah is creating. Repeat this same prompt for others until you get all the images you need to embark on this project. The process is already encouraging because of the kind of images being generated here. Then start saving them up until you are done with saving everything. This leads to the next step. Head to Vivago, an AI tool to animate these images you generated from Leonardo AI. Now you are on the AI tool, click on Video Generation. From here, we have 3 generation options. We've got text to image to video, we've text to video, and we've got remove background. So we're going to select image to video, and we're going to upload our image here. Once our image is uploaded like that, we are going to select our dimension to ensure you select the 16:9 aspect ratio. From there, just click on Confirm. From this prompt box here, you can describe what you want it to do with the image you uploaded. I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt because this is where we generated our images from. And I will paste the prompt here and then adjust the duration to 5 seconds. I will leave the motion strength to 7, which is the natural length. Then click Generate. It will only cost me 30 free credits. Okay, so it has just finished generating the image for us. This is so outstanding. Its accuracy to the prompt is superb. I will play with the settings and then download when I'm satisfied with the result. I will make sure it's downloaded to my PC. Then I will go back and delete this image and upload the second image where Noah is building the ark and move the dimension to 16 by 9. Then click on Confirm, hurry to ChatGPT, get the second prompt and paste it here. Now you might not necessarily just use the prompt given to you by ChatGPT. You can add or tweak in whatever action you feel perfectly fits a scene or storyline. I will leave the settings the way they are and click on Generate. It will generate the video. If you like it, you can go ahead and download. Then simply repeat this same process for all the scene. Animate the images and simply download it. Then this leads us to the next step. Head straight to 11 Labs to generate voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the story narration, then come back to 11 Labs, select the type of voice you want, not just anyone, but the one that aligns with your story. From there, I will click on the Generate button. So if you are pleased with how the voice sounds, what you have to do is download it into your PC. Quickly, let's head to CapCut to edit the videos. Click on Create Project. Then import the videos and audios generated from the other AI tools used. It is advisable to start with your audio file and then to your video files. Make sure it aligns with the audio files. Adjust the length. After that, it's time to add some smooth transitions into these videos files. Head to Transition and select any transitions, and that is if you feel like adding transitions. Let me choose the dark fade for this project though. If you need this dark fade transition on all the videos, you can click on the Apply to All tab. After this, the next thing you would want to do is to add captions to your videos. Don't stress yourself on that. Just select Auto Caption, and all the captions for each scenes will appear. It's time to change the font style, font color, and then play the settings. Don't forget to animate your fonts and captions. Finally, add background music to your audio, then export. Here's the final results.
Kind, and this made God very sad. But Noah was different. He loved God and always did what was right. One day God said, "Noah, build a big ark. I'm sending a flood to clean the earth, but I'll keep you, your family, and 2 of every animal safe." Noah worked hard, building the giant ark as everyone laughed at him. When it was ready, animals came 2 by 2, elephants, lions, birds, and even ants. Once everyone was inside, the rain began.
And this is definitely the end of this video. Don't leave without subscribing. We see you in the next one.